All right, we get a lot of questions on our on-demand floor heat system, so I wanted to walk you through. We heat all of our buildings with this, including our barn dominium, which is our home. It's a little over 2,000 square feet and has no issues heating that house, but kind of wanted to show you the layout. These tubes here laid out on top, and then that middle area where the pipes are is where later on we'll install the on-demand unit. It goes in very easily. You can see there, that's the one in our house. Fits in a very small space. That's our entire furnace and hot water tank, but these tubes are just laid out. The shiny material underneath is insulation, kind of helps against the gravel pack, and then we just pour on the concrete on top. Very easy pour to do. They pour it deep enough so that, you know, when you're putting your nails for your studs in, you're never going to hit them or never worry about it. You don't want to use extra long ones, of course, but highly efficient system. We heat our barn dominium for, under 150 a month in the dead of winter. And like I said, the pouring of it is extremely easy. Once these are laid out, the concrete goes in and it's poured. And then once it's finished, we acid stain this before we ever build. And then there's the floor heat. We install it. It operates extremely efficiently. We use split AC, so there's no ductwork at all. There you can take a look at the finished floors before we build. This is our latest cabinet to build at the farm, which is about 1,000 square feet, and it will heat it probably for under $75 a month. So that's a look at our on-demand systems here at the farm.